In today's lesson, we'll be looking at converting a string to PascalCase. If you don't know what PascalCase is, here is a summarized description of a PascalCase string. Every first letter of each word must be capitalized, and there should be no spaces in the string, just like in the examples 10.1 and 10.2 shown below. Now let's get started. I'll start with a function called PascalCase. It will take a string. Inside this function, I'll split the string at the spaces and store the words in an array called string array. Here I'll declare a simple for loop to loop through our words while we convert the first characters to uppercases. To convert the first letters to uppercase, I'll set the string at index I and its first character at index of 0 to the same character but uppercase. Then I'll return the joined array. A relatively simple challenge. Let's console log the function to test it. As you can see from the console, the join worked well, while the conversion to uppercases for some reason failed. I'll console log the conversion to check why isn't it updating the original strings. As you can see, the letters were actually converted to uppercase but were not set. I think this is the time we consult the documentation. You can go with AI, that's fine, but I'm not that type of person. After you've navigated to the site, go to JS strings, then methods. Here you'll see this string method that allows us to access the individual characters of the string by their indexes. Here you can see they were trying to set the first character of the string to the capital letter A, and here it says it will give no error but will not work. This is actually what we were trying to do in our PascalCase function. The documentation says this will not work, so we'll save some time trying to figure out why is it not working and try to come up with an alternative solution. You can even try it yourself on the site. You can see even when I try to edit the text, it does not update. From the previous lesson, I looked at how to join strings using this concat.js method. We are going to apply the same logic in PascalCase function with a few modifications. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. I'll delete everything inside the for loop. Here, I'll declare an empty string as a template to concatenate on. We will also need an empty array to store the strings in which the first letters are already capitalized. Inside the for loop, I'll slice the string at index I starting from the first character. I'll then set the first character to uppercase, that is the character at index 0. I'll now set the empty string to the concatenated first letter and the sliced string. Here I'll return PascalCase array with the spread operator instead. Now when I run my function, you can see it works as expected. I can even add more words. It still works. Well, that's it for this video. Peace.